Hello everyone, welcome to Fvr-Multi. In today's video tutorial, I am going to show you guys how to install Parrot OS on VirtualBox. Before going to install, you must need to download VirtualBox and Parrot OS. So, you go to VirtualBox official website and download the VirtualBox. VirtualBox is Oracle product. Click Windows host on VirtualBox platform package. It will take several minutes to complete download. In this gap, you just go to Parrot OS official website. This website have many Parrot OS package. You just download Parrot Security Mat ISO. Mat is the interface. They give many way to download OS, and I select direct download, and it provides torrent link and server option to download the Parrot OS. In this gap, we go to install the VirtualBox and create a virtual machine. Now follow the video to install the VirtualBox. It takes to install the network interface. Now finish the setup. Now open the VirtualBox. Many options are there. You just click new to create a virtual machine. This interface have two mode. One is expert mode and another one is guide mode. You choose expert mode. Now you give the name of the virtual machine and machine folder. The machine folder is default location. Type means which type of OS you want to install on virtual machine. So I give the Linux and the version is Debian with the 64-bit and give the memory size and select create a virtual hard disk now on hard disk option. Now you create your virtual machine, and this is the virtual hard disk window. In this interface you must give the file size. File size is the virtual hard disk size, and you also give the hard disk file type and choose VirtualBox disk image on hard disk file type and choose dynamically allocated on physical hard disk. Now create your virtual hard disk. Now your virtual machine is created successfully. Okay, now we go to install the Parrot OS on the virtual machine. Before going that, we just verify if OS is downloaded or not. Okay, OS download successfully. Now you go to open the settings on virtual machine and go to storage. You just click empty and you just click that disk image near this drop down box. Now click add, then you go to your OS location, select your OS and click open, then click choose option. Now click OK After that, you just double click your virtual machine. You just scroll down and choose install with GTK GUI. Now you select your system language and click continue. Then you select your location and configure your keyboard. Now components are installed. Now it create the administrative account, so you must give root ID password and re-enter your password. Then click continue. The administrative account is a super user. Now you go to create an guest account. Now give the username and click continue and give the password. Then again continue. Now configure your clock. In virtual machine, no need to partition any disk, so you give the user enter disk option and again click continue. Now select the first option. Now select this partition and click continue and choose all file in one partition and again click continue and again choose finish partitioning and write changes to disk. No need to give the swap option in virtualbox or virtual machine, so just select no option. You just give the yes to write the changes on disk and again click continue. Now grub bootloader is installed. And you just give the yes to install the grub bootloader on your hard disk and again continue and select second option /div/sda and again click continue. OS is booted on virtual machine. And select parrot GNU Linux option This is the interface of parrot OS. Give your user password. Parrot OS have the same features of Kali Linux, and it also have many inbuilt softwares like tar browser, on-in browser, and etc. And it's also have hacking tools, Metasploit, penetration testing tools, and etc. Thank you for watching, guys. Do subscribe for regular updates.